from the Tree of Wisdom. And it's time to shake your leaves. Rickapooty and a Fandandoogly.
Everybody shake high and low.
Shaking like a leafy tree.
Everybody shake high and low.
Shaking like a leafy tree. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake out your branches.
Bend, bend, bend.
Bend in the breeze.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake all around now.
Stretch, stretch, stretch.
Everybody shake high and low.
Shaking like a leafy tree.
Everybody shake high and low.
Keep on shaking. Rickapooty and a Fandandoogly.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake out your branches.
Bend, bend, bend.
Bend in the breeze.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake all around now.
Stretch, stretch, stretch.
Everybody shake high and low.
Shaking like a leafy tree.
Everybody shake high and low.
It's shaking time. Rickapooty and a Fandandoogly.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake out your branches.
Bend, bend, bend.
Bend in the breeze.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake all around now.
Stretch, stretch, stretch.
Everybody shake high and low.
Shaking like a leafy tree.
Everybody shake high and low.
Keep on shaking.
Shake, 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 shake.
Oh, yeah! Rickapooty and a Fandandoogly.
Oh, hello there. See, I've got the hiccups. And we've got a big concert later today. And I don't know what to do to get rid of these hiccups. Oh.
Hey Simon, are you ready for our concert later today?
Well, I'm afraid, John, I've got the hiccups and it's going to be a bit tricky to sing while I've got them.
Oh, well, never fear. I've just got the right tip to cure the hiccup.
Well, what is it?
Well, just take a big sip of water. Here, I've got some water for you.
Okay, well, I'll give it a try. Oh, it didn't work.
Oh, excuse me, Mr. Simon. Are you trying to get rid of hiccups?
Yes, Lockie, I am.
Oh, well, I've got the perfect hiccup helper. You need to tap your head 3 times.
1, 2, 3. Oh, hiccups still.
Hiccuping? May I make a suggestion? Try holding your breath for 3 seconds and then let out a yell. Try that.
Ah! Oh, it didn't work. I still have the hiccups.
Hiccups? Oh, I know how to put an end to those. A fail-safe remedy.
Oh, please tell, Evie. Please tell.
Simon, you've just got to do this dance.
Okay, well, I'll give it a try. Nothing seems to be working.
Oh, well, what if you try doing all those things one after the other?
Oh, yeah, okay. I mean, it's worth a try. 1, 2, 3. Ah!
Ahoy there, Simon. I heard you were having problems with all that.
Oh, ahoy, the Captain Feathersword. Oh, that was so funny when you fell over, but look, I hope you're okay.
Oh, yes, I'm okay, Simon, but it's good to hear you laughing and not hiccuping.
Oh, you're right. Oh, you're right, my hiccups have gone.
Hooray!
Hey, it must have been the laughing that stopped Simon's hiccups.
Oh, no! Oh, no! Now it seems like I've got the hiccups. Does anyone have any suggestions on how to cure them?
Yeah, I know. See, laughter is the best medicine. Captain, watch this.
Now shake. Now roll. You've got it. The Coco Loco. Baila conmigo. El Coco. Coco Loco. Step 1. Roly-poly. Round and round now. Try it with me. Let's roll. El Coco. Bunny roll and spin around in a circle. Raise your hands and give it a twirl. El Coco, Coco Loco. El Coco, Coco Loco. Then last step, but I'm to the beat. That's the Coco Loco dance with me. El Coco, Coco Loco.
Coco Loco, let's dance together. Dance strong and move like a feather.
Shimmy shake in the tropical weather. Coco Loco, baila conmigo. Boogie boogie.
Go loco with me. Wiggle, wiggle with me.
Coco Loco, we're dancing down the street. At home or with anyone you meet. El Coco, in the morning. Go Loco, in the evening. Coco Loco, everybody. Coco Loco, dancing with me.
Come on, shake your body. Coco Loco is for everybody. Your mom, your dad, your sister, your doggy, your brother, your neighbor, don't forget your auntie.
Now shake. Now roll. You got it. The Coco Loco. Now shake. Now roll. You got it. The Coco Loco. Coco Loco. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. We'll dance the day away. Pirouette to déplié too. We'd love to dance with you.
Oh, I love the ballet. Me too. Let's see what wonderful type of ballet dancing Evie and Lucia have in store for us today. Look, they're doing pliés, bending the knees in a diamond shape. Oh, so smooth. Side to side. Brilliant. What a beautiful day to dance ballet!
Let's sing and do the actions together. Are you ready? Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Run away! Whoa!
Run away to
Whoa! Where's the shark?
run away to do 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 do.
Run away! Run away to do 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 do. Run away to do 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 do. Run away to do 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 do. Run away! Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end. Clap your hands. It's the end. It's the end. It's the end. Great job, everybody. Give yourself a big clap.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.